Welcome to our channel, where we embark on extraordinary journeys into the world of innovation. Today, we take you back in time to witness the incredible story of the Wright brothers, two brothers who dared to dream of flying. Join us as we explore their journey to create the world's first successful airplane. In the early 20th century, the concept of flight was nothing more than a dream. But two brothers from Ohio, Orville and Wilbur Wright, believed that humans could conquer the skies. Their determination and perseverance would soon change the course of history. From a young age, the Wright brothers had an insatiable curiosity and a passion for mechanics. They studied the flight of birds and dreamed of soaring through the air like them. Inspired by their imaginations, they set out to build a flying machine. The journey to create a working airplane was not easy. The Wright brothers faced numerous challenges and setbacks. They conducted countless experiments, testing different wing designs, propellers, and control mechanisms. Every failure brought them closer to success. On December 17, 1903, at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, the Wright brothers achieved their dream. Their aircraft, the Wright Flyer, took to the sky, making history as the first powered, controlled, and sustained flight in a heavier-than-air machine. The Wright brothers' achievement revolutionized the world. Their pioneering work in aerodynamics and flight controls paved the way for modern aviation. Their invention sparked a wave of innovation, leading to the development of safer and more efficient aircraft. The Wright brothers' story is a testament to the power of persistence and the importance of pursuing one's dreams. They showed the world that with determination, creativity, and a thirst for knowledge, we can overcome any challenge and achieve the impossible. And so, the story of the Wright brothers reminds us to dream big, think boldly, and never give up. Their innovation and courage opened up a whole new world of possibilities. Join us for more captivating tales of extraordinary individuals who pushed the boundaries of what is possible.